Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making Taki's tea, a recipe named after my mother as it's one of her favorites to make. And this is a drink for all my peach lovers out there. This is a nice fizzy drink that you'll be shocked to know has alcohol in it. So let's get started. Alright, so for the ingredients, we're going to need 2 ounces of Disaronno Amaretto, and then we're going to need 1 ounce of Dekuyper peach schnapps. And now you can use either 1 ounce of ginger ale or 1 ounce of ginger beer, or enough of either to top the glass that you're using. And then you're going to need 3 ounces of sweet and sour mix. Alright, starting things off, you want to get a shaker and fill it up with a handful of ice. And then into the shaker, you want to pour in your 2 ounces of amaretto, your 1 ounce of peach schnapps, and finally your 3 ounces of your sweet and sour mix. And to get the proportions pretty easy, I suggest using a jigger for this. A standard one will have 2 ounces worth on one side of the jigger and 1 ounce on the other. But depending on what country you're in, the jigger proportions may be slightly different, so always double check the proportions that yours have. So all you need to do now is close the shaker and, as its name says, shake it well to allow all the ingredients inside to mix well together. And while you're shaking it, don't forget to shake that like button, subscribe to this channel to see more recipes like this one, and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned to the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. So now you just want to prepare your favorite rocks glass or glass of choice and add a few cubes of ice into it. And now with your shaker, you'll want to carefully strain your drink into the glass over top the ice. And this drink has already been chilled inside the shaker, so the ice in the drink will melt a lot slower this way. And now at this point, you can choose either to top it off with ginger ale or ginger beer. I like using ginger beer with mine as it adds a nice kick to the final product. And normally in the recipe I just call out for 1 ounce of ginger beer or ginger ale, but depending on the size of your glass, you may end up using the entire bottle. It doesn't really affect the final taste of the drink, it's delicious both ways. And for a final touch, I like to garnish the drink with a slice of peach and a fresh sprig of mint. And with that, you can now serve this and enjoy. And just like that, you've made Taki's tea. This is a nice, fizzy, peach-flavored drink that you'll be shocked to know has alcohol in it after you take your first sip. It's so delicious and smooth, and it'll be gone before you know it. For variations of this recipe, try multiplying the ingredients by 10 to create a picture of this so you can serve it at your next party. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in the description box. You can also click the pop-up on the screen for more information as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel to see more recipes like this one, and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned for next week, where I show you what it feels like to bite into a cloud. This next dessert I'm presenting is so sweet and delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try it too. Well, thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out more recipes like this one on my page, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.